we have a new service. It's the PocketBook X Libby app. And with this app, it's possible just easy to lend ebooks from the public libraries.
So I'm with Sebastian from PocketBook. Thanks very much. You're just going to give us a quick tour of what you're showing off at IFA. So what we've got here, these are like
this is also the Warriors Pro Color. So these are two different kind of housings. So maybe for the men and for the women. So this this lavender color. And so this is a kind of special edition we made this year, only in a limited quantity. But it's the same device. So it's you can use a colored screen from e-ink just to read in color. If you like comics or graphic novels or colored mangas, or if you want to have some cooking books or some magazines, it makes a lot of fun more in these colors than in 16 grayscales already.
And what I was so impressed with when I reviewed this one, the InkPad Color Free, is just how good you get the colors sort of immediately without needing to tinker. You know, with a lot of other companies, you really need to go in and mess around in different apps and different books to get the colors looking just so. But it's always doing a nice deep refresh. It's always giving you the best image that it can. And I think it's a very, well thought out device. And I also like, of course, I think one thing you're already famous for is always having
this physical buttons,
really ergonomic.
Exactly. So it doesn't matter which device you want to purchase without the very first entry level device, but you always get the physical buttons with you. That's just easy to switch the pages, but you also are able to do it by swishing or by tipping in the screen. Doesn't matter.
Yeah. So you can.
So, but it's just easy to hold it in this way and then use the buttons and to switch the pages.
Yeah, and they're always thin and light, really nice to hold. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think so. You're very big in Germany and in Switzerland as well.
So we're a Swiss-based company. Yes, that's right. Also have a German entity, and from this German entity in the New York Dresden, so we are caring for sales and support all over Europe, shipping to 25 countries there, and.
And you were telling me that you're just really quite far ahead in the understanding of color e-ink because you've been doing it so long.
Exactly. We are doing this since 4 years already, colored screens. So some other competitors just started last year. So sure, we have a lot of experience in colored ebooks, how to have the right contrast and all these things that it makes a lot of fun to our users.
Yeah, it's really nice looking comic there. Yeah. Cool, and you've got a few more to show me over here. This is something new for the show?
So the device itself is not new, but what we are actually doing is integrating the Libby app of Overdrive.
Oh, okay.
So just for borrowing ebooks from your public libraries. So Overdrive itself is active in 110 countries all over the world. We are present in more than 50 countries all over the world. And because of that, we have a new service. It's the PocketBook X Libby app, and with this app, it's possible just easy to lend ebooks from the public libraries. So this is just a pre-version. We didn't launch it yet, but it comes via firmware update to the devices, and there you have the possibility to look for your library. You can type in the country and the city where you're living, and it finds the right library, and then you can search for authors, for ebooks, for audiobooks, also in the future for e-magazines, borrow them, and then you can read it on device, and it's just really cheap for the users to get content.
Yeah, really good, yeah. And the black and white devices, I remember always one of the best.
It's also successful because if you compare the colored screens and the black and white screens to each other, it's another kind of technique. So for the colored devices, the Kaleido technique means that you have two thin layers over each other, the black and white layer and the colored layer. And because of this, the colored devices are almost a little bit darker. So if you want to read only your classical literature in black and white, so it's just fine, it has a good contrast. But if you're looking forward and see, okay, I want to be flexible in the future, so then I take the colored. So, and as you see, the difference between the price is not that high.
Yeah,
also for the 7-inch device, it's only €10.
Right.
So It's up on you what you want to use.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
exactly,
cool.
exactly.
Yeah, really good. And the larger one here, that's that's a
this
pure
is a
reader.
note. It's a digital
and
notepad.
so you can draw on that one as well, right?
Yeah, sure. Well. But if we want to use it, let's take this one.
So this is InkPad EO. This is called. Okay.
Exactly. So our digital notepads are specialized for working with e-ink devices. So it's more or less a combination of the advantages of the e-ink screen combined with the functionality of a tablet. So because with the PocketBook devices, it's possible to install third-party apps because we have a full integration of Android. And there you see the Play Store. And this is also my working device. I have the Outlook app with it, the Teams app just to work with my colleagues. But it's also possible to do notes within a meeting. And I can create some new note. Okay, it's really thick already, but I can change the thickness, maybe to a little, and change the color. Or take another stylus. And also it's connected with AI technology that we have an OCR function included. Just make a circle, use the AI tool, and you can make normal text from it. So now you see it's also making an emoji from it.
Yeah.
So in this one, I'm able to send it to email or share it with some members of my team. So it's working very well.
Yeah, cool. Thank you very
also
much.
to work within texts, it's possible. Or if you don't like our drawing app, then go into the Play Store, use another drawing app. It's up on you what you want to do with it.
So what's the main seller? Do you mainly sell more like this, or
honestly,
really popular?
For the e-readers, we are selling a lot the 6-inch devices because they are very, it's very flexible to use them, to put it in your pocket, and if you're going by bus or by train or anything like that, to pull it out and just to read. Also, as you see, we have this dark mode if you want to read inverted with white fonts on a black background. So once we had the claim, PocketBook, it's the freedom of reading. And this is actually what we are doing, because we give you the device and you can decide how you want to use it. You decide if you want to hear audio, music, or if you want to that the device reads you the text, or you can decide if you push the button twice, it makes a screenshot. You can swish, I can show it to you here. If you swish here, it makes the smart light so that you have this blue light filter. On the other side, you can decide that you can switch on and switch off the brightness. Do what you want.
Yeah. And I was just...
we only give you options.
Yeah, absolutely. So the cases are always really nice because this
exactly.
Just,
so it's possible. Just you can turn around. So it's possible that you can remove this little bar, and within you can click in our special kind of cover. So we have two different kinds for that. It's the flip cover. Flip cover means that it's only positioned in this bar, and you have the security at the front side. And also we have some charging covers. Then the back side is covered. But within this backside, you have the possibility to lay it on a wireless charger.
Right.
And this is also USP of PocketBook. No one other is doing this.
I didn't know that.
So we only care for our users, and we give them options, and they decide on themselves what they want to use.
Yeah, cool. Really nice e-readers. Thanks for showing me around, Sebastian.
No problem.
Appreciate you.